Hey guys, it's Ron. How you doing? Today I'll talk about external DVD drives and external CD-ROM drives. This one here is quite old. Um, so see about when you unbox it, and what you're gonna see in the box is gonna be either one USB cable. This is Type A, and you may see two. So why you're putting two is one may not be enough power to power the device, so you have to plug this one in another port. I'm not sure about newer versions out there, but this one works that way. You can actually get away with one. I'll show you here. This is to my computer. And then if you're burning discs, the best public one. If you're burning discs for the music, these ones here, Maxell CDR Music. These are the best discs for burning music. They're awesome. I've been using these for 20 years. Never had any problem with my music in my car at all. They're great discs. Just a short tutorial on how to hook one of these up. It's very simple, and they do come very handy. So this is burner disc already, no longer used anymore. So I'm gonna turn it off. I just close it and plug it. Put it back in the storage. Hope this helps, guys. Take care. God bless.